This storage closet in downtown Vancouver rents for $650 a month. And today, I'll be moving in.
Oh, what the horse? Yeah, I would live here.
That is not what I expected.
So last week, two of my close friends asked if I wanted to rent a room in their downtown Vancouver apartment for $650 a month. Living in downtown Vancouver is notorious for being crazy expensive. I mean, even normal looking one-bedroom apartments can go for over $4,000.
Something ain't right.
Being a new grad just out of uni with not a lot of money, I couldn't let this deal pass up. And without further ado, here's what my room looks like. Woo! Woo!
That's all you got, baby.
Damn.
We got lights.
Nah, that's a lot of real estate.
We got security box.
Yo, this is not found. This is not found in every room, man. That's crazy. You got a little storage area in this corner. And then you kind of turn around and you got a lot of space. This is great. I can't even touch the walls, bro. Put the bed right here. It's nice. It's nice. I actually like it a lot. Oh, we got a light and everything. 7'6", just 5 foot, 6'8". So you've already seen my bedroom. Let's go to the front of the apartment. The first thing you see when you enter is the bathroom. Now, this is definitely not a standard of living I'm used to. But wait, why don't I just show you? Wow.
We got a sink.
Oh my god.
Mirror.
The toilet's floating.
Yeah, it's magic, baby.
Oh my god, is that one of those rainfall shower heads? No way. Oh yeah, I gotta try this one. Dude! Oh! This shower is so nice. Alright. So, what's next here?
Got the oven.
Nice. Oh my god. Wait,
Touch
what did
me,
you just
baby.
do?
Yeah, it doesn't open like that, yo.
Oh,
Break
what the
it.
fuck?
Yeah.
No way. That's kind of stupid, but also kind of cool. Alright.
Yep. You know where magic
Jeez.
happens.
Oh, nice. Good job.
Yeah,
Good
we
job.
did. And we got a balcony. Can't see for operation night.
Wow. Nice. Thank you. Okay, come in.
Oh, what the horses?
Oh.
It's really nice for me. Yeah, I would live here.
Wait, Harry, you haven't seen it either, right?
Not just
You know space?
Yeah.
I would legit live here as well.
So that's my room in all of its glory, all 45 square feet of it. I'm super excited to be living here. I'm actually really looking forward to experiencing what it's like living in a smaller space. I'm definitely noticing a lot of quirks already from living in a storage closet, which I can maybe share in a separate video, but Yeah, I don't know. I'm curious. Would you pay $650 a month to live here? Or is that too much for a storage room? Let me know in the comments. Also, if you're wondering about decor or products I've used to decorate my room, I'll try to leave those links in the description too. Thanks for watching.